welcome back tuning into this evening's video. We're doing the third Glastonbury update. This evening we're going to have a look at the days from the 26th, Thursday the 26th of June to Sunday the 29th of June, the final day of the Glastonbury Festival. Last couple of updates have been quite good. It's been indicated of high pressure type conditions. We'll see whether the third update continues that trend. Before I go on that though, I just want to explain the advertising of this video ad on my pages at gazwebbies.com. If you can, hit play on the video ad and see what it's about. You'll be helping to support gazwebbies.com. Thanks very much for doing that. So we start off on Thursday the 26th of June. Sort of a complicated picture. We've got a ridge of high pressure extending through the country, but we've got low pressure to the south and an area of low pressure up over Iceland. But we're just about hanging on to high pressure here on Thursday the 26th, next Thursday of course. Upper temperatures are quite good. It's pretty warm actually, and it's virtually dry away from Scotland, where of course there's some rain, but for you down there in Glastonbury it is dry. In terms of the temperatures, it's very warm, with temperatures up to at least 25-26 degrees. That's into the upper 70s Fahrenheit, could be a bit higher than that, to be honest. As we go through to Friday, what's happening is that a cold front is drifting southwards down across the country. It's not impacting the south of England yet, but it is going to be bringing showers to the north. But the upper air temperatures are showing it's still warm for England and Wales, but for Scotland it is cooling off behind that cold front. There is the cold front really affecting Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, so for you down in Glastonbury it's mainly dry on Friday the 27th once again. And it's warm, the temperatures have edged down, but the reason that's happened is it's gone through to the lower resolution end of the model. Actually, if this was in the high resolution time frame, it would be just as warm down in the south as it is on Thursday, if not warmer actually, with temperatures perhaps up to 27 degrees 81. By the time we get through to Saturday, that cold front has come down across the whole of the country, so we're in a much cooler sort of northerly air mass by then on Saturday the 28th. It's a very weak cold front, so don't worry too much about rainfall from it, but the upper air temperatures do show quite a change there as we get through to Saturday the 28th, a good deal lower. And the suggestion that there could be some showers across the country, but really that's a pretty inactive cold front, so I think overall it is just a band of cloud coming south, lowering those temperatures. And temperatures are a good deal lower. We're down into the teens Celsius there across all parts of the country, so it'll certainly feel a lot cooler and fresher if that comes off. And as we go through to the final day of the Glastonbury Festival, Sunday the 29th, well, the high pressure is still ridging in here. Low pressure is starting to gather out in the Atlantic. We're going to watch that, but on base value, this is another very good update, really. It suggests mostly dry conditions throughout the days that we're interested in. The upper air temperatures are rather cool, it has to be said, but it's mainly dry again. A few showers perhaps in the east of the country, but overall it's mainly dry. There's the rain gathering in the Atlantic. I say we've got to watch that, see how quickly that would advance in. But on face value, this is another very good update for anybody interested in the weather for Glastonbury, or weather during this period, because there are other events going on, and it does look mainly dry through this period, it has to be said. Temperatures still nothing to write home about, rather cool, a little bit below average in the mid to upper teens Celsius, but I think that's another pretty good update, really. It continues the trend of the last two updates, which is mostly dry conditions. We do have the cold front dropping southwards Friday into Saturday. Does lower the temperatures, but it's a very weak cold front, nothing much to write home about with that. And overall it's a very dry signal for the 4 days that we're interested in of the Glastonbury Festival. This isn't a done deal yet because it's still within the unreliable time frame of the GFS model, so a couple more updates before we can really start to firm up on this. But third update, the trend continues and it's pretty good. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.